Hi, how is everybody? I wanted to show you this right here. It is a antique from way back when in the day. It is the Cookie Monster and Elmo toy. Okay, we're going. There it is. Okay. Has the tags on it. And it is all original. That tag right there. Okay. And we're going to put it right there. Okay. I'm going to have to put some batteries in it. I'll be right back. So I found some batteries. It takes 3, and I put them in, and this is what's.
This is for Cookie and Christmas and more Cookie. Merry Cookie. This is for Cookie and Christmas and